In this video, we'll walk through how to use Pixflow's style generator with Bricks Builder to create flexible, scalable, and fully global design systems for your website. One of the key benefits of this workflow is that styles can be imported at any point during the build, and when they are, your entire website updates seamlessly. Unlike other libraries that require manual restyling of individual elements each time a new layout is added, Pixflow's default Bricks Builder theme styles, layouts and components are built entirely around global styles and CSS variables. Typography, colors, buttons, and UI elements reference shared variables rather than element-level values. This allows design decisions to cascade consistently across every page, template, and component. The style generator is designed specifically to work on top of this system by updating these global style variables by creating a complete, cohesive style system in a single step. When imported into your Bricks Builder framework, these values populate the base styles, ensuring consistent styling is applied automatically wherever those styles are used. You can control the overall look and feel of your site using the design controls in the style generator. The border radius drop-down allows you to adjust the corner radius of buttons and surface elements, while the design style drop-down lets you change the overall design type of the site. Background and foreground colors behave normally across all design styles, with one exception. In the outline design style, foreground colors are set to match the background colors, and surface elements use a 1-pixel border. Each design style applies borders to surface elements differently. The default style uses a 1-pixel border on surface elements. Flat removes borders entirely. Edgy applies a 2-pixel border with the border color set to the heading color to provide maximum contrast on surface elements. If you switch between design styles, the generator automatically restores the correct color logic for each mode. No base values are permanently overwritten, and you can change styles freely without losing your underlying design system. You can choose both the heading font and the body font. The available fonts are the full Google Fonts library. A category drop-down allows you to filter fonts by type, and you can also search directly within the font drop-down to quickly find a specific font. When browsing fonts, you can hover over the eye icon next to any font to instantly preview it in the site preview. This lets you see how headings, body text, and UI elements will look with that font before committing to it. Once imported into Bricks Builder, these typography choices populate Pixflow's global typography settings. Headings, text, buttons, and components automatically reference these values, ensuring consistent typography across every page and template. If you use a custom font that is not part of Google Fonts, you can still use the style generator for everything else. After importing a style, simply update the font settings inside Bricks theme styles to apply your custom font. As with colors, typography should not be overridden at the element level. Any changes after importing a style should be made using global typography settings only, ensuring future style imports continue to work as intended. In the color interface, you'll primarily see background, foreground, heading, text, and accent colors. Border and input colors are generated automatically in the background and applied in the site preview. These values are part of the system, even though they're not directly exposed in the generator interface. If necessary, border and input colors can be fine-tuned later inside your framework after import. If you already have a primary brand color, you should set this on the accent color of the main scheme and lock it before generating. This ensures the entire system is built around your brand color, while the remaining values adapt intelligently around it. You can regenerate as often as needed, and the generator will maintain the same structural logic each time. To generate a style, click Generate. Each generation produces a complete design system, not just individual colors. Backgrounds, foregrounds, headings, text, borders, inputs, and UI accents are all created together, with consistent contrast, hierarchy, and accessibility in mind. If needed, you can easily undo and redo any generation using the history buttons. Once you're happy with a style, you can export it by clicking the Export drop-down at the top of the page. Select your framework from the list, and the relevant files will be downloaded automatically. Once you have your files, you can import them directly into your chosen Bricks Builder framework. The style generator updates global colors, global typography, and Pixflow's base component styles. As a result, headings, text, buttons, backgrounds, and UI elements across your site update immediately. Styles can be imported at any stage of the website building process. You can start with a temporary style or Pixflow's default base styles, import a new style midway through a build, or completely change visual direction after a rebrand. Because everything is variable-driven, importing an update to your chosen framework updates your entire website seamlessly, without breaking layouts or templates. A single style import updates every page, template, and component that references global styles. This is the core advantage of the Pixflow and Bricks workflow. Design changes remain centralized, predictable, and reversible. Pixflow's layouts rely on global variables, and the style generator updates variables used in these directly. If you apply element-level overrides, such as manually setting colors, typography, or borders on individual elements, future style imports may not work as intended. If those elements no longer reference the global system, they will not update on a new import. After using the style generator, all visual adjustments should be made at the variable level only. Avoiding element-level overrides ensures future style imports continue to work as intended, maintains visual consistency across the site, and allows the design direction to change without extensive manual rework. This also removes the need to update multiple styles each time a new layout is added. The style generator allows Pixflow and Bricks Builder users to work with true design systems, not one-off styles. Generate styles, import them at any stage, and let global variables handle the rest. Your entire website updates seamlessly every time. Thanks for watching.